I am using an older Chromebook for this tutorial, so we don't end up damaging a newer one. Okay, so in this case, the space bar has just come off, and it's a simple fix. The nub is still in place. Nothing has broken off. We just need to rethread these metal pieces gently, and there's 2 little holes on the side. And they fit very loosely into place. All right, so once they're back into place, we're going to just line up the space bar until it clips back into place. Okay, and go ahead and hit it a few times to ensure nothing's going to bind. Okay, now in the case of this punctuation, the whole piece has been removed. Okay, so the first thing you would check for is to ensure that the rubber nib is still there. If this is missing, then the keyboard will need to be replaced. Also, there are metal holders that actually grab on to this hinge, and if any of these are missing, this is going to require a replacement. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is up at the top here, there are small holes, and they are going to grip around these holders, and then these smaller ones grip down here. Okay, we're just going to feed them into place, and you want to be gentle not to damage anything. Now the next thing to do is inspect your key. Your key should have several small plastic pieces. If you're missing any of these pieces or it's showing sign of stress, you might as well replace it, or it's just going to cause heartache in the future. Go ahead and push your key down until it clicks. Okay, and give it a test. And that's all there is to replacing a key.